Okay guys, so in today's video I'm actually gonna be showing you how you can use banana and apple cider vinegar to have that amazing skin, to have a glowing skin. Now this is not a joke, this is literally very serious. Like, I'm so serious. Okay, this is amazing on my skin. Like, you're gonna be seeing me apply it and you're gonna see how effective this is going to be on my skin. Okay guys, so before we take you right into the video, do not forget thumbs up here, subscribe here, turn on the post notification here, and click all and share somewhere here. Okay guys, so let's go. You're going to be making use of milk. Now milk contains a lactic acid which actually helps the skin stay healthy. It removes wrinkles and as well as fine lines, and it actually helps to rejuvenate the skin and make the skin glow and pop up really well. So I'm gonna be taking in some of about 3 tablespoons of my milk, literally. Okay, now you can actually use your any milk you have, you can make use of it, it's fine. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be making use of honey. Now honey is a natural moisturizing agent that helps to glow the skin. It helps to make the skin stay healthy, and it also make the skin smooth, allowing product to get into the skin. Okay, so we're actually going to be taking about 1 tablespoon of honey, and then we're gonna be putting it into the milk. Give it a stir. Okay guys, so now the color is actually going to change from the normal milk color, and this is what you're going to have. I don't know, is it showing white there? It's not white. Okay, alright guys, so we're equally going to be making use of potato. Now we're actually going to be making use of sweet potato. Okay, so sweet potato for this particular ingredient is what you are basically going to be needing. Okay, so sweet potato actually works wonders for the skin. It helps to make the skin stay healthy. I have my pre-cooked sweet potato, so you have to go cook this potato and then would make use of it. So we're basically using the cooked one. Okay, so we're actually gonna be turning the potato into a blender. Now we're equally going to be making use of apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is one great ingredient that helps to change your skin overnight. It works in rejuvenating and making the skin look so super duper young. Alright, and is a great anti-aging remedy. So what I'm going to do, since I want to blend my sweet potato, I'm going to be putting just 1 cup of this apple cider vinegar into my sweet potato, and then dilute it with a little water so that I can have my potato blend really smooth. Okay, so after we blend this really smooth, then we'll have to transfer that into the bowl. Alright, so this is it. Now we'll mix it and mix it very well. The consistency is going to be superb. This is a great consistency, guys. Okay guys, so the next ingredient, which is very important for this, is banana. Now because you want to look young, you would have to moisturize your skin all the time, and using banana for this ingredient would actually make your skin stay healthy, stay rejuvenated, stay moisturized, and stay glowing. Okay, so what we're going to do is this. We're going to be putting it into a blender, and then we're going to put in a little bit of water, and then we'll blend it. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you have to turn the banana into the bowl, stir it up, and our ingredient is set and ready. So you can actually use this at least 3 to 4 times in a week. And guys, scrub your face with this and you're going to love it. Now come to the washroom with me. Let me go show you how I'm gonna be doing mine. Okay guys, so this is it, and I would love to dab my face with water, okay, to soften my face, okay, before using this. Okay, so when you dab your face with water, it helps this ingredient get into your face really more. This is how it is. It's amazingly beautiful. And then you spread it onto your face. Okay guys, so after that I'm gonna be using my brush to scrub this, because I think I kind of prefer to use my brush to scrub this than using my hands. And now I'll have to let it sit on my skin for a little while. Now, because I want to let it sit on my skin for a little while, I'm going to be applying this. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this, and okay, so I'm gonna wait for a little while, and I'm gonna go wash it, and I'll be right back. So that's it. It feels really good on my skin. I love it, and I love the way it is on my skin. It makes my skin really smooth. And that's it guys. Okay guys, so if you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.